Okay then guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can import iPhone photos to Etsy. And what I mean by that is that you want to upload your photos that you have taken on your iPhone or perhaps on your iPad as a part of your listings, as part of the items that you want to sell on Etsy, right? So a couple of things you should know at first. At first, you should at least have the store set up on Etsy, because if you just have the account, that's not it. You need to have a store created. And what's also a good thing is to have a specific app which is not for Etsy purchases but for Etsy seller, right? So you have the regular one with the orange background. You also have the one with the blue one. That's the one that you want to use for selling. So once you have that, you just want to make sure that you create a new listing. I have it on Safari, but the process is exactly the same on your app if you use the Etsy seller. And again, the process is the same on the iPhone, but iPad just got a bigger screen for this. So I was just going through the process of setting up my store, and there are like the first things you have to go through. But when you start and create a listing, this is what the page is going to look like. And literally the very first option is the photos. Now there are a couple of different things which you should use, or you can use up to 10 photos, not more than that. And you can of course just click on the add photo button, which is the option to edit. So just click on that and you have the option to choose it directly from the camera, which is probably not what you want to do. You want to make sure that the photos are high quality generally. So go ahead and click on that, and you would either bring it from the photo library or from the Files app. And it doesn't matter where you bring it from. You just have to be organized on your personal level to know where your photos happen to be. So either just bring it from the Photos library, and you can see the photos right here, or just go to the Files app and find it there. As I said, you can add up to 10 images, but you should also keep in mind that there is like a specific resolution for the photos. So it's a good idea to pay attention to the guidelines. So yeah, then you can also pick one thumbnail, which is going to be the image representing your listing. So you can also adjust that and pick the one that you want. So it is like this, adjust it a bit more or zoom it in, depends on what you want. But this is essentially the process of adding and importing photos from your iPhone or iPad to your listing to Etsy. So this is essentially how you want to get it done. Besides that, you also have the other settings like the description, and I just put everything as an example there because this is not my real store or anything, but this is essentially how you want to do it. Besides that, you also have one video, which is only 5 to 15 seconds. It's just like a very quick way to show what the product is about. But that's essentially it. So 10 photos, one video, that's how you can go ahead and do it. If you have the photos on your iPhone, bring them over through AirDrop or any other way to your iPad, or just go through the process on your iPhone. But that would be about it. Hope you found this tutorial useful. If you did, or if you have any other questions, leave them below, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Peace out until then.